PET bottle recycling cleaning process is an effective way to achieve green and sustainable development. Now join us to find out how the cleaning process works. Unpacking and sorting. Disassemble tons of bags and pick out impurities. Remove label paper. The bottle label is removed by machine. Manual sorting. Sorting out bottles that are not PET materials. Crush the bottle into small pieces. Friction cleaning. Preliminary friction cleaning to remove sediment impurities. Fragments of PE caps floating on the water were fished out and separated. High temperature cleaning. Hot water cleaning with industrial alkali to remove grease. Rinsing. Removal of residual industrial lye. Finally, the water in the PET fragments is removed by a high-speed dehydrator and air dryer, and then bagged. Contact us to learn more.